मतलब आई थिंक ये सीक्रेट बैलेट है ना, वो बता नहीं सकते, सॉरी मैं बता नहीं सकती, पर मैंने अच्छा वोटिंग किया आई थिंक. Actually, it's my first time at IIFA, so I'm really excited क्योंकि अभी almost 5 साल हो गए मुझे इंडस्ट्री में आए हुए, and I've not been to IIFA yet. और एक्चुअली मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि द ईयर आई एम गोइंग हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं, तो ये तो और द वेट हैज़ बिन फ्रूटफुल. शॉपिंग प्लान्स तो मतलब हमेशा ही बने रहेंगे, नो मैटर वेयर आई एम व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, बट आई थिंक बहुत काम होगा तो ज़्यादा टाइम शायद ना मिले, बट आई मीन यू आर देयर तो डेफिनेटली टाइम बनाना पड़ेगा. I am performing, yes. I just need to know if I can say it. Yeah, I am performing.
So will it be more your numbers only or some other?
I have not decided yet, but I get little bored performing to my own songs constantly. So I'll try and do something different, maybe a mix of my songs and some other songs. Let's see.
जिससे भी पूछा है सबने उड़ता पंजाब को काफी प्रेज किया है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. उड़ता पंजाब को प्रेज किया है तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. ऑब्वियसली मैं खुद प्रेज नहीं करूँगी, मैं बस थैंक यू कहूँगी.
एक ऐसे ट्रिप में जाना जहाँ पे आपके काम को सराहा जा रहा है, सारे अवार्ड्स में यू आर देयर, तो कहते हैं ना वर्क कम प्लेजर, ये है.
आई थिंक जब आप अपने वर्क से काम से इतना प्यार करते हो, इट डजंट एवर फील लाइक वर्क. सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू बी वर्किंग वेयरएवर आई एम वर्किंग.
Does it bring back fond memories of the Dream Team tour?
Actually, I've not thought about it, but yeah, I think because we did go to New York, and I mean, we went to New Jersey and we were in New York and all that. But I think IIFA is going to be a full new experience altogether. And I've always heard such lovely stories of IIFA because everybody goes there together. Everybody's eating and drinking and chilling and, relaxing together and performing and being creative. And I think it's a great space to get together and at the same time celebrate the Indian film industry and the movies that we stand for and that we make. So I think it's good, and I'm really glad that it's my first time. So first time's always special.
You are a prodigy in the correct meaning of it, because in your second year you had won the awards for Highway, the Critics Awards if I'm not wrong, and this year you won all the awards. Do you have a sense of fulfillment today when in a span of 4 years you've achieved what most of your contemporaries can't achieve?
No, I don't think I feel fulfilled at all. It's very boring, to feel fulfilled at any point. So there's no fulfillment, but there's definitely a lot of gratitude for the opportunities that I've gotten.
और कौन से एक्टर को ये आईफा का अवार्ड जीतते हुए देखना चाहेंगे आप, मेल फीमेल?
Eventually घूम फिर के वापस अवार्ड के क्वेश्चन पे आ गए ना. May the best man win.
A lot was said when a film like Airlift was missed out on a particular awards ka nomination list. This time when at the national awards, when a film like Urta Punjab didn't get the recognition it deserved, did it feel bad? I'm not talking about you not getting an award, obviously you said that there are no insecurities. But when a film like Urta Punjab doesn't get the necessary recognition at a platform like National Awards, does it?
No, yeah, because honestly, at the end of the day, when the film released, it got that recognition and appreciation from the people. So I think that's a big example of the fact that it was accepted. And it's not like, of course, National Awards are very, very prestigious, but that doesn't take away from whatever it did achieve. And it's not like, अरे हमें क्यों जिताया नहीं? Like we didn't ever make a film for that purpose. So that's okay. If you're not, an award is when you're being rewarded for your efforts. And I'm sure all the the people who have won have put in that effort, so they've been rewarded for it. So you shouldn't ever feel spiteful for somebody else's win. I think that's a wrong way of looking at it.
All right, thank you. Guys, come for the photo.